Hello students, I am Trupti Prabhu. Today we are going to learn a lesson, The Peacock and the Crane. The Peacock and the Crane, this is a short story which conveys the moral through the character of a proud peacock that fine feathers don't make fine birds. In other words, our external appearance has no value if we lack beauty and strength within. We as individuals may have extremely beautiful appearance, but if we don't have a heart to reach out and make a difference in the lives of others, how can we call ourselves beautiful? Inner beauty too is important. In this story, Peacock boasted of having the most gorgeous tail, which shine in all colors of the rainbow. But that too has its own limitations. The crane possessed colorless and dull feathers, but he was not affected by the peacock's display of its colorful tail. He was fully aware of its inner potential and what he was capable of. He could fly high above and among the clouds and stars and witness the beauty of the earth in all its splendor. He was aware of his blessings, so he could happily take the peacock's criticism calmly. Let's see the meaning of unfamiliar words. Conceited. Conceited means very proud, vain or arrogant. Conceited means very proud, vain or arrogant. Gorgeous. Gorgeous means beautiful, magnificent or stunning. Gorgeous means very beautiful or magnificent. Scoff. Scoff means laugh at rudely and scornfully. Scoff means laugh at rudely and scornfully. Pale. Pale means dull or not bright. Pale means dull or not bright. Glory. Glory means beauty and splendor. Glory means beauty and splendor. Boasted. Boasted means talk with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's possession or ability. Boasted means talk with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's possession or abilities. Now let's read the lesson. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Let's see the explanation. Once there was a very proud peacock. He was unique as he had a magnificent tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, he laughed at the crane's colorless and pale feathers. He immediately spread his own colorful tail to show off and for the crane to see and admire. Admire means to look something impressive or attractive with pleasure. Let's read the second paragraph. Look at my feathers, he boasted. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. The peacock was extremely pompous. He spread its shiny feathers in all colors of the rainbow for crane to see and admire. He also compared it to the crane's pale feathers. He added that he was dressed like a king. And this tells us that he was extremely boastful. That's true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above, among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. While you live down here just like any other cow. Explanation. The crane agreed with the peacock. He answered that it is true that his feathers were pale, but further he added that he could fly high above and among the clouds and stars. He could see the beauty of the earth in all its splendor, while the peacock lived down there just like any other cow. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. The saying fine feathers don't make fine birds is used in a negative sense to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. So children, from this fable we learn that our physical appearance has very little significance as compared to our capacities, capabilities, abilities and our inner strength. Let us develop our self-esteem and self-confidence by understanding that it is not how we look but what we are capable of which makes all the difference. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you.